So what are hexadecimal colors? Hexadecimal colors are colors for the web. Hexadecimal refers to a way of recoding the numbers so that they're easy to use in computer programming. So now when you're on the web, you're on a screen, and RGB is the color system for screens, and the straight up RGB code is pretty easy to recognize. Here we have one, RGB 247-14830, 247 units of red, 148 units of green, 30 units of blue. Here we go again, RGB 120-205-209, that's 120 units of red, 205 units of green, 209 units of blue. The computer can read those codes, and it'll turn those into the Oregon Child Development Council colors, the orange and the blue color. But the internet, the World Wide Web, doesn't really like this coding formula. So when you are working on the web, as you often will be, you're going to find yourself using a hexadecimal code. And a hexadecimal code is just another way of translating that very same information. If you're working in a Google Doc or a Google Slide or a Google Sheet, if you're entering a custom code, you're going to use a hexadecimal code. If you're creating a MailChimp email and you want to change the background color, you're going to most likely enter a hexadecimal code. If you're building a website using Wix, once again, you enter the hexadecimal code. Hexadecimal is the most widely used system for colors on the World Wide Web. And I'm going to take a couple minutes just to show you how it works. You'll know you're looking at a hexadecimal code whenever you see this symbol right here, the number symbol, which is followed then by 6 digits. The first 2 digits are for red, the second 2 digits are for green, and the third 2 digits are for blue. Red, green, blue. And you might see numbers or letters in there, 0 through 9, and then A through F. 0 means that color digit is turned all the way off. F means that color digit's turned all the way on. And of course, somewhere in between. So here we have all of the color digits turned all the way off. No color at all. You've got pure black. Turn all the colors all the way on. You have pure white. Dial all the colors down to 6, and you have a neutral gray. Turn one of the red digits all the way up to F, and you've got some serious red going on. Turn both the red digits all the way up to F, and you have an even redder red. Dial both the reds down to 8, and you have a more soothing red, if there is such a thing. Turn one of your green digits up to F, and you've got some green. Turn both of your green digits up to F, and you've got an even more intense green. Dial them both back to 7, and looks like you're ready to head out to an Irish bar. Turn one of your F's up, turn one of your blues up to F, and you're about to join the police force. Turn both of the blues up to F, and you're about to eat a blueberry Skittle. Dial them down to 99, and you are snorkeling in the Caribbean. So with both reds set at 66, you're about to drink a fine glass of red wine. Mix in an equal amount of green, and suddenly you've got some camouflage. Dial your blues down to 28, and you are at the bottom of the ocean. Add another double amount of green to that, And it looks like you are ready to go back to that Irish bar. Add a heaping dose of red into that color, and now it looks like baseball pants that you have to wash after someone slid into second base. And that's how hexadecimal colors work. That's the color programming that you're going to use the most often if you're preparing electronic outreach materials on the web. Good luck.